Today, I have a tour for you of the Courtyard Marriott Galveston Island, a great cruise port hotel for Galveston cruises, as well as a nice choice for a holiday weekend in Galveston. Demand for cruise port hotels is way up in Galveston this year with the arrival of new ships such as the Carnival Jubilee, the Norwegian Prima, and the Allure of the Seas. The first part of my tour shows you the hotel facilities, including the bistro for food and Starbucks coffee, and the very nice pool area with cabanas. The second part of my tour shows you the 2-queen pool view room with balcony. You will see some confusion in the room tour as I had booked an Ocean View Queen suite. And I took the tour the second I arrived in the room, and I realized this is not a suite, so not the room I booked. I had to go down to the front desk to bring this to the attention of the staff, and when I did, they refunded $40 to me. So if you stay in this hotel, be sure to keep a record of which room you booked and the rate. Also, just wanted to share that the food and drinks at this Courtyard Bistro were very good. My party of 9 loved their fries and sandwiches and their alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. We sat around and chatted, and we were eating and meeting other people staying at the hotel before their cruises in the hotel's public area for hours. We made some new friends and had a lovely time. There are also eateries within walking distance, and we had a very tasty lunch at Viet Cajun Seafood and Pho House. Before we start the tour, here are some basic rates for this hotel. In June, on a Saturday night, all of the Marriott hotels on the island are over $300 a night. In October, on a Saturday night, some of the closer to the port Marriott hotels are still over $300, but this hotel plus the Connected Town Suites hotel are just over $200 a night. I'm a lifetime gold member with Marriott Bonvoy, so I have incentive to stay with them for my pre-cruise hotel stays. I know your results may vary, so I did also check Hilton brand hotels on the same dates, and they were similarly priced, although less expensive for their higher-end properties, and some of their lower-end properties were sold out. Here is the tour of Courtyard Marriott Galveston Island. You're watching Cruising with Dee. Welcome to my tour of the Courtyard Marriott Galveston Island. We're going to take a look at the common areas of the hotel right now. So this is what the Courtyard Marriott fronts on. Fronts right here on the seawall and the ocean, and it's got the parking lot out front, and there is your Courtyard Marriott. Let's go inside and look at the common areas. To get to the port from this hotel, there is no shuttle. So we're all taking Ubers in the morning. We are taking an Uber X for 3 people, and that is going to cost us $37. If we had taken it during non-rush hours this afternoon, it would have been $24, but we did book it the night before because we really do like to know, what our timing is and make sure we have a driver for that busy time. And that's going to be the new look of the Courtyard Marriott. Really hard to see, but they're redesigning the whole thing. It's going to be more of a black and wood and gray, more modern theme. You got your luggage carts, got your luggage carts there, and then you come in and there's like a little bistro. They have some seating areas, really nice. They serve Starbucks coffee here in the morning. They have wine and cocktails, snacks, breakfast. You can get eggs, a little breakfast sandwich, a farm stand breakfast bowl. All sounds really quite nice. Fruit, yogurt. Here's your check-in area. Oh, sorry. And over here is your little mini, the market. So the market's where you can just grab a little something to drink, something to eat, something cold, medication if you have forgotten it. There's a shuttle to the conference center. Lots more sitting area over here. That's where you're going to have your coffee in the morning. So here's that lounge area I showed you earlier. You've got your computers in the corner there. If you've forgotten to print out your boarding pass if you forget to print out your boarding pass for the ship, or you need a boarding pass for your plane, etc.
And then your sister and Alex are doing it.
All right, and here is the outdoor area. As I said, this is really quite nice. They call it the beach house. Over here, they've got a wonderful fire pit. It is chilly today. And I could get you into the pool area, except I forgot my key. So I will be right back. To get into the pool, you have to be able to lift this handle, which I can barely reach, but you do not need your key. Here you can see it's a really nice pool complex, I've got to say. Very, very pleasant, looks really clean, just wonderful. The Castaway Poolside Experience is what they're calling it. And you've got all of these different lounge chairs. You have a chair, so if you're disabled, you can still use the pool. You've got this nice waterfall feature. Over there, really just connected, is the Town Place Suites. It's an exceptional poolside experience, open 10 to 10 p.m. weather permitting. You can use a cabana, which we're going over to by reservation. Oh, here they are. There are 6 cabanas, and they are rather nice. Lots of area to sit, and you have to reserve them. We are looking back at the Courtyard Marriott Galveston Island, and it will soon be renovated, so will be a completely different color. I'm looking forward to seeing what they have done with this place when it is finished being renovated, which looks like it will be shortly since the rooms are almost completed as far as their renovation goes. Welcome to my tour of Courtyard Marriott Galveston Island. This hotel is about 20 minutes from the cruise port here on Galveston Island, and it has been newly renovated. This room that I'm going to show you today is a queen mini suite. It has 2 queen beds, a little outdoor area, and we shall go from here. So you come in, you use your standard. You've got a little bit of light. The light is not maybe the brightest it could possibly be. Bathroom, obviously, right when you walk in. It is well appointed. You've got your sink. Not much in the way of individual toiletries anymore. There's lotion and a little bar of soap. You have your toiletries here on the wall. You've got your conditioner, your hair shampoo, and your body soap. It looks like it has a very nice shower head on it, and it has bars. I am wondering if this actually is a disabled access room, since there are bars, a place to sit, and also you could bring a wheelchair under the sink over here. You have just basic toilet. You've got fine amount of towels here. There's some more towels down in this. There are more towels down in this little storage thing over there, and that's pretty much it. I think the lighting is satisfactory in here for makeup and such. That is your mirror. It is well lighted. So you come back around, and there is a microwave oven. And there's also a fridge. I booked a mini suite. I am going to have to actually look this up because I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. There's plenty of room for your luggage over here right when you walk in. Then you come around and you've got your 2 queen beds. We actually are sharing with my adult son because the hotel was out of rooms, so we had to have a room with 2 beds for this stay. You've got your side lights, your phone, your alarm clock, and the alarm clock has 2 USB ports. I actually don't see, for a newly renovated hotel, they didn't do much with the electrical because there really are not a ton of plugs, etc. by the side of the bed, just those 2 USB ports and the clock, so not too happy with that. Over here you've got your closet. You have everything you might need. Usually for a cruise port, you're not going to use the closet a lot, but you might come for a small vacation in Galveston Island prior to your cruise. So it's nice to know that you have extra bedding, you have a luggage rack, you've got your ironing board and your iron, and a ton of hangers. So, a little bit, though it's a wardrobe, it is more like a traditional closet, which they don't have in all the hotels anymore. You've got an ample little TV over here, not really, too huge, but it'll do. 3 drawers down here. And again, here is a table that could definitely take a wheelchair. There's a little table underneath the desk chair. You have a coffee maker, which I really do love, having a coffee maker for some coffee right when I wake up in the morning. And you've got a desk lamp over here for a little bit of added lighting. And you have your ice bucket. And that's it. There is a restaurant, which we will see in a different part of this tour. And, it's just your basic information. Bistro, it's Courtyard Marriott, so you're not getting room service here. So that's pretty much it. It is pretty basic. I am already worried about where my plugs are going to be for my electronics tonight. I'm going to have to figure that out. There is a chair and a little hassock thing. And then out here is an outdoor area, which we'll go see. So here is the little outdoor area. It's really nice. You can see the water from here. It's a really nice view, actually, and it just goes around. Super, super nice out here. So I do really like this part of the room. It's cool today, but it's nice. It's very pleasant out here. This over here is the Town Place Suites, and this is the sister property of this hotel. I have friends staying there, and they have privileges in this hotel because this hotel has a restaurant, etc., Starbucks, and the pool. The pool is sort of shared by the 2 properties, and then they are undergoing renovation over also at the Town Place Suites, but I do not think that the Town Place Suites is as far along in their renovations as this Courtyard Marriott is. You also have, as I mentioned, the really nice little pool area, very nice pool actually, and a couple more balconies. And over here, here's the view from my friend's room. They have a regular king room and they have a full-on view of the ocean, and it is spectacular. So that's it. You've got your deck furniture out here. So you've got a little couch, and you have 2 little chairs and a table. So that's it. That's your basic 2-queen room. So thank you for joining me. Again, I'm here on Galveston Island near the Galveston Island Cruise Port. You have been watching Cruising with Dee.